Hey everyone, it's Andrew. So this is going to be a video about how to use the remote start for a 2014 Jeep Patriot. Before we begin, if you could just hit the like and subscribe button, I'd appreciate it. So it's the first day of snow and kind of tail end of November 2021. So I wanted to do this video just to show you how to start the car remotely on these colder days. Personally, I came across the fact that this car had it just by accident. I was hitting the key fob and it just happened to start up on its own. So I want to show you that feature just because it's pretty cool and unique. So if you look close up, this is the key fob that came with the car for me. When you hit this top button twice, it'll beep like that, and then it'll automatically start up. And so it'll start and run for about 20 minutes. I believe this is not standard for the 2014 Jeep Patriot. You have to add it aftermarket. So whoever was the owner before us actually installed this. And it's a cool feature to have just because we didn't anticipate it at all. I'll show you once we get in the car, so let me just take the phone off, or camera off the stand. So when you come over here, you just hit the unlock button. It automatically unlocks. And then when you get inside, what you'll need to do is press and hold down the brake, and then you just put your key in the ignition and it's ready to go. So that's it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Again, I don't think this is standard for the 2014 Jeep Patriot. I think it's something that was installed aftermarket, but it's a nice feature to have just in the colder winter if you're in the north where it gets pretty cold in the winter. So please post any comments below. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate the time. Have a great day.